Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you are new here, thank you for stopping by and watching, and I want to say a big thank you to all my new subscribers. What I have for you today is a gratitude journal. It can also be used as an affirmation journal, and I kind of like the idea of using it as both. And I thought this was the perfect time to do this video and to put this beautiful book in my Etsy store, and I gotta tell you, I'm having a hard time parting with it. But I can't keep every journal I make. I'm running out of room. So this is going into my Etsy shop later today, and I will put a link below. And so let's get started. First of all, this book is a soft cover, and I wanted it to be very happy and positive and bright looking, and I really think it is. So it's very colorful. It has one of my favorite sayings: "Today I will be happier than a bird with a French fry." I just love that, and that's printed on fabric, and I have a little G down here for grateful and the actual word here, and the front is just a collage of fabrics. And here is the spine. There are 5 signatures. And here's the rest of the fabric, the back, and I just love how colorful this is. So here's a removable tassel. So let's go ahead and open this and get started. As you can see, there are embellishments on the side here, and I'll show those to you in more detail as we get to them. So the kit I used for this gratitude journal is my Good Vibrations kit, and that's also in my Etsy shop, and I will put a link to that. This journal comes with a pen and a little holder for it right here, and I've included some ephemera, and what I included was information on the positive effects of feeling gratitude and keeping a gratitude journal. Here is how to keep a gratitude journal, make it a routine, write in detail. You know, there's just some guidelines to help you if you've never done a gratitude journal before. And here are some more statistics on the benefits. So these are in here. And here we go. There's a lot of stitching, obviously, and I left all the threads on. I did some stamping and some spraying on the pages. Here is one of the first tabs, and it has a little owl on it. The tab itself is made from the same fabric as the cover, has a tassel and this little flower charm. There are little vellum pieces with additional tags and whatnot for writing space. And I had to absolutely include some boho fabrics, and this one has a double. And here it says grateful, and that was printed on fabric also. Here is just some miscellaneous pieces of grunged up and sprayed paper with a tag that I'm using as a tuck spot. This is some parchment paper that is grunched up, and inside there's an envelope, 30-day gratitude challenge list, and there's a lot of these lists that you can find on Pinterest. I'll fix that later. Here's some sprayed and grunged up and stamped book page. This is, I think, packing paper from an Amazon package. Here's another envelope. Another little piece of that I can't get back in. Hello. Okay, there we go. With the vellum. Another sort of piece of ephemera for how to practice gratitude. And this is practicing gratitude, not necessarily journaling, but one of the ways you practice is with a journal, but there's other ways too. And it just, I loved the idea of putting this video out the week of Thanksgiving for those of us who live in the United States. And it's, you know, God, it's been a horrible year. Here's this little tab and this says loved, this little charm on here. It's been such a horrible year, not just with COVID, but, you know, everybody faces challenges and whatnot in addition to COVID. Here are 10 self-compassion affirmations. But it's, you know, it's been a horrible year. So I thought this week, being Thanksgiving, was such a great time to reflect on what we are thankful for and grateful for. This is actually, if I remember, a double pocket. Here is a sheet of music paper that I folded up like an envelope, and this was inspired by Pink Oddbird. Her channel is amazing, and I just get so much inspiration from her, so I will link her below. And here's just some stenciling that I did. I just think that is so pretty. Oh, and this is some avocado dyed paper. And this Good Vibrations kit is super colorful, and I just loved it for this project. Here's another tab with another charm on it, and this one is a heart. Here's another envelope, and it just has some paper in it. Here's gratitude affirmations. I think this is my favorite page. I love that one. I have a hard time leaving pages blank. I like to put gesso on them and sprays. And here's a little collaged tuck spot, self-love affirmations. Here's another one of those fun music sheet envelopes, and you know, you could always glue down the sides if you want to use this as an actual envelope, or you can use it as writing space. Things with. Here is a coloring page. And this is just a sheet to write on. No, it's not that. Here is another envelope flip out. I just love that picture. And this is really a note card. And you can do a little hidden journaling if you'd like. Pocket here. I don't know how many pages are in here. Again, there's 5 signatures. I didn't count the pages. And this says, it's not joy that makes us grateful, it is gratitude that makes us joyful. And that's so true and so important to remember. Here's another tab, and this says blessed on the little charm. Here are 15 nighttime affirmations and just a tag. Here is a flip and this little embroidered heart that I did. And this is all fabric. Grungy ledger paper. I just love that. And another envelope. And another envelope. All the envelopes that I didn't open have little pieces of paper and tags and whatnot for additional journaling, you know, and you can use them anywhere in the book. This says, gratitude helps you see what's there instead of what isn't. Last signature. Here is another print on fabric that I did where it says choose to be grateful. I just love printing on fabric, and I just kind of collaged a few pieces together. I love putting fabric in my journals. Here's the last one, and it's just a little charm. Here's some morning affirmations. So you can see that this journal is meant to be written in. There's a lot of empty spaces. It's not filled up with a whole bunch of things to get in the way of you writing. These are 30 daily affirmations. Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. I like that. And then I tucked some more paper and little tags and whatnot back here. And that's the journal. So, happy Thanksgiving to everybody who is celebrating that this week. And this will be in my Etsy store. And I will be getting some more videos out soon. I've been working on a lot of digital kits. And thank you for watching. I will see you later. Bye.